So a few of the KPIs that we use to measure productivity across the businesses that I've been in is we've used productivity measures such as measuring the team's output and how efficiently they're completing tasks. So metrics such as number of tasks completed, units produced, projects delivered, all within a certain time frame. And so you can't measure those things without actually having it time bounded. So that's kind of the key piece of productivity is what you're measuring against X amount of time or cost. And then that goes into time savings. So something that we measured as a how much was GoLinks helping our organization was that we were able to measure the estimated time savings for each GoLink that was used and every click that was used throughout the organization as to measurable time savings. And so those are metrics that you can also use in other aspects of your business. And then cost efficiency, tracking your team's ability to manage cost, resources, budget adherence, cost savings achieved, ROI. And then when you have really defined projects, I'd just say like construction projects, because that's my background, cost performance index, schedule performance indexes, where you have a plan that you're measuring against. So you can use those as metrics to see how you're actually performing against.
I love that you touched on the fact that you can actually see how much time was saved with each GoLink that has been created. So I think that's really important and crucial with everybody trying to, be more efficient, trying to save time, trying to, pack the most that they can in their day without over exhausting themselves. Having an easy way to access things is great.